Hey guys, Matt here again at the Titan Outlet store. Just got in this 2007 BR780A New Holland round baler. For you guys coming up probably on that third crop, we've had some nice cool temperatures the last few days with some moisture. We don't have a very good selection of round balers right now, so this would be a great ideal baler to pick up if you're interested. So give us a call.
Hello and welcome to the Moorhead Titan Outlet store. In this video, we are demonstrating a 2007 New Holland BR780A in good condition. Let's take a closer look at the features on this round baler. This New Holland BR780A produces 5x6 foot bales and features a standard pickup with hydraulic lifting, along with a kicker, auto wrap, and 1000 PTO. This BR780A features Trelleborgs tires. Thank you for viewing this 2007 New Holland BR780A. If you're interested in this round baler and would like to contact our sales team, give them a call at 877-886-7010. If you're interested in viewing more equipment, go online to TitanOutletStore.com.